The line and curve matching exercise is just another like system training diagnostic type of exercise. You're gonna lay out the paper, lay out the grid on a piece of 8.5 by 11 paper, like the measurements that I've given you in the example on Canvas. And then I've also given you an example of what patterns I want you to make. So you'll just try and repeat these lines. Let me go ahead and make my pen a little bit thicker here. You'll just try and repeat the motion of the lines that I've got on here. And you'll see the arrow. So here I'm telling you to draw from left to right. Then on this one, because like for me this is harder, we're going to go right to left. You'll see I'm getting shakier on this. On this one, you'll just go right to left. And you should do this, 10 times each one of these. And you see I missed the line there. Try and be accurate. Try and get on the line. And be as straight as possible. I'm off the line again. And then this one is the same thing. You just start this way and wrap back around that way. On this one, you just follow this pattern. Like so. This is just like learning your ABCs. We're learning some basic motions of the hand. We're training our muscles. This is called building automaticity. Any of this like line weight change, line things like that, we're just trying to build the ability for our system to do this automatically without us having to think about it. Like at first I might have to think about it, but the more I do it, the more it just happens automatically. And then I can devote my higher level brain power, looking at the image and looking at all the detail. I can devote that to something more important, which is seeing the image. So like right now I'm having trouble because I don't have great automaticity for the shape that I was doing, and so it's harder to use my higher power brain functions to even speak. If I practice this enough, then it would be easier. Like this is an easier pattern for me, so I'm having to pay less attention and I can make more sense while I'm talking to you. That's what we're trying to do with these exercises, is make all of these things so automatic that we don't even have to devote any brain energy towards them while we're doing it. Okay, so that's what we're doing on each one of these. Notice these ones cover 2 lines, and then we'll go 1 line, and then 2 lines, and then back. And you'll probably find, like I'm right-handed, I'm used to writing left to right, so those patterns are easier for me. The ones where I have to move this way take a little bit more thought, but we're just training our body to get used to these types of motions, building that sense of automaticity. Automaticity.